Hey, this is Market Moves coming at you. I'm going to go over the 4 option trades the premium group took this week. I'm going to give you the setups, why we got in, why we got out, what we're looking for, and more. This is going to help you be a better trader, be a better investor. Stay tuned. Right here is our premium option trading sheet. This shows you what we're looking at this week, what we exited previously, what we're looking for, what we're currently in, and everything. And basically this is just a huge sheet that gives information on our setups so you can take the initiative and trade them properly. So if you invested $1,000 into every trade and it looks like we had about 24 trades, you would have made $6,895, which is up $3,000 from a week ago or 10 days ago, I think it was. And this account is growing massively. If you took every trade properly, you would have made 2x, 3x your account depending on what you put in. So these were the 4 trades we took this week. We had NEO, Tilray, Pfizer, and then Quran, and we just exited most of these. So NEO, we're still holding some. That's a little hint I'm going to give you, but we exited most, and this was at the high 127% return, which is huge, and I do think NEO is going to further just make massive gains to that $10, $14 level. So I'm going to head to the option sheet and we're going to look at why we got into NEO, what we were looking for. And this, I send this out for every alert. This just shows you what's happening with the stock and what we're expecting. So this is on Friday. So Friday, I told everyone, hey, NEO is at 816. This is the level we're looking at to get into. This is exactly where resistance is. If we get above this level, it is going to fly. Unfortunately, the market opened up around $9 on Monday. So I'm going to scale this out. We can see the market, our target was 960 to 10. That's exactly where we hit. And then we sold off since then. So the market is this candle here on Monday before the alert. So unfortunately, we missed about 70 cents because the alert, it gapped up in the morning and the alert came on Friday. So Monday morning, we went to go enter and we saw it was up 70 cents. So unfortunately, we missed it was about 50% move right there, but we still held and bought the next day for 120% move the next day after that. So that was the trade setup. That's what happened in NEO, and we just chose the options in July. We're still holding some, but right now, those April calls, and right now we're just hoping that we see a further consolidation and then a huge pop out from here. This consolidation could take 1 or 2 more days, and I fully expect NEO to really pop soon. The next one up is Tilray. Tilray is one of the big stocks we were looking at today. So I just exited it currently just because we had a huge move out of this triangle and we went back down into the range that we were at the previous day. It'll make more sense when I show you the chart, but basically it made me nervous. We exited for only 14% gain. If you held to the top, you would have had a 40 or 60% gain, and a lot of people did. So right here, it just says we're expecting a breakout soon before buying. We're going to buy it before the breakout because we have a lot of hints giving us ideas that we're going to have a breakout to the upside. So the upside, we're expecting a breakout in Tilray. And then this is our evidence. We have multiple consecutive higher lows. So I'm going to zoom in there. That is our evidence. Higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. And then we're finally going to break out once we get outside that triangle and finally the volume comes in. So here's the setup here. We have the stop loss in the red. This is going to be about 2% down. So we're looking to exit and cut our losses at 77-ish. And then we're looking to target about $90. This could be a long-term trade, but unfortunately we got out too early. I just got nervous. But again, the setup still looks great. And here's the information on the trade some more. We do have 85 calls we're choosing. And if it did hit 90, it would have been 300% return. Just in this day alone, we got 60%. And I'm going to show you what happened. And the exact day we entered, the morning, we popped 60% on the exact day. So talk about great timing. We'll go to the 5-minute chart. As you can see from the morning, huge green candle, 60% return right there. 40% for some people, and that was just pretty impressive. So at this point, I don't like this next candle where we dropped into the range from the previous day. So that's where we exited for just small gains, but I expect consolidation here and possibly a pop the next day. I do think this is the first day outside this trend line, so I do think this stock is really going to run, but I just got nervous and got out. And the next stock was Pfizer. I'm going to head to that Excel sheet, the PDF, and let you know what we're thinking. Inverse head and shoulders mixed with the channel descending with the first breakout candle already. So this stock was giving us great information on further breakout, further confirmation that we're going to head higher. So the next zone I was looking at was this volume node right here. It's about 43.70, which we actually hit today and sold off from exactly. So this was the plan, that we were going to hit that zone and we're going to sell off. And I'm going to show you the chart, and it's going to be crazy how close it was to that. So we're actually going to go to Trading View and check out Pfizer. So boom, we hit right here. If you look to the right, that's 43.66. At the high, it's 43.76. So we hit that 70 level and sold off 40 cents down. So that was exactly the plan. Unfortunately, I personally held too long. I did not get out at my plan because I'm dumb, and hopefully some people did, but basically this again was 20% gain for some people. For me, I only got 9% because I waited too long, but this was a great setup, and this was a great risk to reward as well. We're looking at 5-to-1 here, 8-to-1. So this is, again, sorry, that's NEO. The last alert I'm going to go over is just Cron. This was one early Monday. We were kind of in Monday, out Tuesday. This was a pretty quick trade, and it went in our direction right away. So I was telling everyone, I bought previously on Friday, I was telling everyone I'm thinking we're going to get a downside breakout. And my evidence is we have divergence on my indicator, as well as this channel, or this upside down triangle that I fully expect is going to break out lower next week. All we need to do is drop like 40 cents or something. So that's the plan. And as you can see on the 4-hour chart, this triangle is getting very close to a breakout on either end, and we're looking to exit 19. Unfortunately, we did not hit that target of 19. We hit 1930. So we hit 1930 exactly, and that's where the stock turned around. So that divergence again right there. And we'll just go into the sheet just so you can see kind of the details that the premium members get. So we're looking for 80% to 100% return, and we're looking to hit that 19 level. So unfortunately, we did not hit 19, and we held a little bit too long. It's very hard to time these breakouts and take profit. So this is that big green candle we had to get out on. This green candle was about 1930 at the low, all the way to 21.20. So that's a $2 move in 30 minutes, and we got in on this breakout, this exact breakout. So it actually broke out to the exact line and retested it, which happens almost all the time. And so here's the setup. If you can see it, we were so close to getting that last 13 or 30 cents, but we did not. But this red candle is that breakout candle, and we went up to test that 21.30 level. I told everyone in the group 21.30 is the best buy level for this, and they bought it. And since then, we rolled off, and we had some massive gains in the next day when we opened up lower at 1930. So overall, I'm going to head to our profit. We only made 11% because I waited too long. Again, these breakouts were very quick, and unfortunately this week was a week I need to personally take profit quicker. So this was just the bane of the week for me as a trader, but I think a lot of people took profit early and got 30 or 40%, and that 60% level, 80% level was very close. So these were our trade setups throughout the week. We're just looking for breakouts on patterns, and we got most of them. So yet again, 4 green trades, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you took all these trades this week alone, you would have made, if you add them up, it looks like $1,500. So yet again, another $1,500 week for all the premium members. And a lot of people were just trying to make this group better. So a lot of people are getting in the group. It's getting exciting, and this is the time to join. So please hit that button in the bio. You'll get 7 days for free in the group, and I would really love to have you. I'm here to help you trade, help mentor you. And if you have any questions, I'm always here. This is Market Move signing off. Peace. For more information on the Market Mover Indicator, free consultation talks, and courses, head to the website marketmovesmatt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out the latest and popular videos I have uploaded.